Hello, in this video I will tell you how you can add a new page to the menu. So in the last video we created this gallery page and now I want to add page in this header menu. So to add a page to the menu, we can click on this plus icon and we can create a page by using blank page format, or we can use page layout to select any pre-made template for the page. And if you already have a page and it is appearing over here, like you have the home page or maybe gallery page or any other page that you want to add to this header menu, then you can just drag this page to the main navigation. And I have added this before the contact page, and here you can see gallery, and similarly I can add the home page to the main navigation as well if I want. So here you can see. So now let me just preview the website, and here you can see that's how it is looking now. When I will click on home page, then I will see the home page. So that's it. In the next video we will see how we can add a new blog to the blog page. So here you can see we have some dummy blogs that are just placeholder, so we will upload a new blog in the next video. See you next time.